Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Muhammad Hamza from Fun with Tips. Today our new topic is loop. So what is actually a loop? A type of control structure that repeats a statement or a set of statement is known as looping structure. It is also called as iterative or repetitive structures. In sequential structure, all the structures are executed once. On the other hand, the conditional structures may execute or skip a statement on the basis of some given condition. In some situation, it is required to repeat a statement or a number of statements for a specific number of time. Looping, there are three type of loops in C++. The first one is the while loop, second one do while loop, and third one for loop. So why actually the loop is used or how to use loops are basically used for two purposes: to execute a statement or a number of statements for a specific number of time. For example, if a user may display his name on the screen for 10 times, so the loop is used. The second one is to use as sequence of value. To use a sequence of value, for example, a user may display a set of natural number from 1 to 10. So for such purposes, loop is used. Now coming to the first one, our first loop, while loop. What is while loop? A while loop is the simplest loop of C++ language. This loop executes once or more statement while the given condition remains true. It is useful when the number of iterations is not known in advance. This is here is the syntax of while loop. Now we will discuss the while loop. While is a keyword which shows that the while loop here is while loop is used. And in these two brackets condition is written. A condition is given as a rational expression. The statement is executed only if the given condition is true. If the condition is false, the statement will never executed. These curly braces show this loop while loop starts from this point and terminates at this point. In between these two curly braces, there are many types of statement written. Statement is the instruction that is executed when the condition is true. If this condition goes true, the statement will be executed. If two or more statements are used, like here in this syntax, up to n number of statements are used. These are given in braces, like these curly braces. This is called as loop body. Now coming to the flowchart, how the while loop works. First of all, the condition is evaluated. Here the condition will be evaluated if it is true, the controls enter into the body of loop and execute all the statement in the body. After executing the statement, it will again move towards the condition. The process continue as long as the condition remains true and the given statement will be executed. When the condition becomes false, the loop is terminated, and while loop only terminates when the condition becomes false. If the condition remains true, the loop will never ends, and a loop that has no endpoint is known as infinite loop. That is the flowchart and how the loop works. Now move towards the how the while loop is used in C++ programming. Now here we have the program that write a program that display Pakistan for 5 times using while loop. So first of all, for applying the condition in while loop, we have to declare a variable of integer type n, and this n will be initialized to 1. N equals to 1. We can initialize like this too, and we can initialize it here over here too. Both are the true methods. We will initialize it here. Now using of while loop. While is a keyword, and between these two braces condition will be written, n is less than or equal to 5, it will start the iteration from 1 up to 10. Now if we have only one statement then we don't have to write curly braces here, but we have two statements, so we will write here curly braces cout to display Pakistan word, and then n plus plus. This is the increment operator. The plus plus is increment operator, which means that n plus 1. Here when the loop will be start, the first one value will be 1. It will start the iteration. When it comes to, it will display to first Pakistan, then it will comes to this point where n plus plus, which means n plus 1. When the n plus 1 means 1 plus 1, which will be equal to 2, and this loop will again start. Here it will comes to this condition that the 2 is less than or equal to 5, which is true. Then it will again execute this statement and display the Pakistan word second time. When it comes to this point again, then 2 plus 1. The previous n value have 2, then 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. It will again start its flow, and then 3 is less than or equals to 5, which comes true, and then it will again execute the statement third time displaying the Pakistan word, and then it will comes again here. Now this n have value 3. 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. It will again comes to there in the condition 4 is less than or equal to 5. It will again execute this value, okay, this statement, and a word or display the word Pakistan. When it come to this point, now n have value equals to 4, n equals to 4. N plus 1 equals to 5, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. It will again come to here this condition 5 is less than or equals to 5. 5 is not less than but equals to 5. So this condition again comes true, and it will execute this statement and display Pakistan words for the 5th time. When it comes to here again, now this n have value 5. 5 plus 1 equals to 6, and it will again come to this point. 6 is less than or equal to 5, which is false. Then this loop will terminated and exit from the program. So now execute. Now we will compile it first. Here we have 0 errors and 0 warnings. Run. Pakistan, 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 and Pakistan. Here it displayed for 5 times. Now if we want to display it in proper rows, then we have to here write here and L. And L is used for next row. Now again compile and display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It display 5 times Pakistan word by using while loop. If here we don't have to write this and L, we can simply here write \n, which is also used for next line. Compile and run. It again show 5 times the word Pakistan in different lines. Now move towards our second program. Write a program that display counting from 1 to 10 using while loop. Now for condition, similarly we again declare a variable of integer type n and initialize it to value 1. Now again while loop, we have to use while braces. In between these two braces condition will be written n is less than or equals to 10. We have to display counting 1 from 1 to 10. Now write cout directly. The cout statement we will initialize directly to the Cout to display the number n and l, and again n plus plus, which is used for counter, which is used as a counter. Now this n have one value, it will comes to this condition n is less than or equals to 10. It will execute this statement and display one number, and then when it comes to this point n plus 1, which will be equals to 2, first of all it will display 1, and then this 2 will come, it comes here. 2 is less than or equal to 10, it will display 2. Now n have value 2, then 2 plus 1 equals to 3, again 3 will comes here. 3 is less than or equals to 10. Now this will execute this statement. Cout here, first 1 2 and now 3 will be displayed. Now this n have 3 value, n plus 1 means 3 plus 1 equals to 4. This will continue until it comes to 10. When it comes to 10, 10 is less than or equals to 10, and it will execute the statement 10. And when it comes to again here, and we have the value 10, 10 plus 1 equals to 11. When the 11 comes here, again in this condition 11 is less than or equals to 10, which the condition will be false, and the loop will terminate and the program will terminate after this. Now compile. 0 error, 0 warnings. Run 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here it displays from 1 to 10 values. If we didn't write and l here for next line, it will straightly in one row, all the from 1 to 10 counting will be displayed in one row like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that was all for today for while loop. Please be with me. Every program and every video tutorial is interlinked with each other. Don't miss any video. In our next video tutorial, we will discuss the second type of loop, do while loop. So be with me. Please guys, must subscribe our channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you.